Today I'm going to talk about squats for senior citizens, 75 and up. I'm 77. I do lots of them every day. They increase flexibility, mobility, increase bone density, great for legs, great for back. Simple, stand, your feet apart, shoulder length. Raise your arm, bend down, and slowly come up. You can start doing cross your arms, bend down, come up. You can make it simple. If you can't do this, stand behind the chair, do the same thing. You can make it difficult by adding 10-pound weights on each hand, holding the weights like this, bend down, slowly come up. Bend down, slowly come up. Do only 3 to 4 to 5 first time and keep adding one every week the following weeks until you reach 15 reps. It's a great exercise for seniors, will do great benefit for you. Try them, they're good. Bye-bye.